The 21st century. The pace of life is increasing day by day. Towering buildings reach for the skies. Frenetic industrial activity leads to the establishment of sprawling industrial plants. Communication networks dotting the length and breadth of the continents bring us ever closer. On the other hand, air traffic is increasing manifold. Soaring incomes makes it possible for governments, businesses and individuals to own more aircraft. Avaids was born with the vision of making the skies safer.
Our mission is to educate people for using obstruction warning lights to decrease the hazards of air flying. We are creating awareness amongst the users for providing proper obstruction warning lights to save the lives.
And that makes aviation safety a prime concern in most projects. Today, Avaids has become a trusted name in the global market for aviation safety solutions. Supported by a skilled team of experts, Avaids has a wide range of products for obstruction lighting. These range from high-intensity to low-intensity obstruction marking lights and warning spheres for cable marking. World over, aviation safety is regulated by conventions set by the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO). This UN body lays down norms for marking and lighting obstacles to make them conspicuous to pilots. Since these conventions are adopted by all governments, they constitute legal requirements for project sponsors. These include projects as diverse as power transmission networks, thermal power plants, telecom towers, radio transmission towers, and high-rise structures. Structures such as chimneys require lights to be mounted at various positions. Since these requirements are specific to each project, it is always better to engage your obstacle lighting solution provider early on in the project, ideally during the project planning stage itself. When you come to Avaids, we will design the optimum solution for your project and build, install and maintain it too. High voltage power transmission lines pose peculiar hazards to low-flying aircraft. It is not rare for pilots to fail to see the wires and fly right into them. To protect against such horrible accidents, the wires themselves need to be marked or lighted in addition to the supporting towers. Conductor marking spheres are colored mechanical devices used for the identification of wires across electricity pylons and cable cars. They are used to make the wires and cables in the flight path conspicuous. Medium intensity lights are specified for a number of situations. The Avaids range of medium intensity lights includes red and white flashing LED lights. It is an omnidirectional light that conforms to ICAO and FAA specifications. The high-power, high-flux, solid-state lamps have an exceptionally long life of more than 50,000 burning hours. This light combines the most modern concept of surface-mounted solid-state lamps technology sourced from the most reputed international OEMs. In designing this light, care has been taken to protect it from dust, moisture, corrosion, and even bird droppings. From PCB to ground connections, the materials chosen are of top quality to provide extra long life to the light. In the red color version, high-quality aviation red color is directly emitted by the lamps. This eliminates the need for additional color filters. In certain projects, it is practically impossible to power the lights from regular electric supply. All over the world, more than 2,000 solar-powered obstruction marking lights of Avaids have been installed. These lights are long-lasting, ideal for standalone deployment. High-intensity lights are used for lighting of obstacles like communication towers, broadcast towers, chimneys, bridges, and tall buildings. These are white lights that operate day and night. The rapid growth of the cellular phone industry and other communication services has led to millions of new communication towers being erected all over the globe. Since they present hazards to flight paths of aircrafts, Avaids lights are used extensively on top of towers as an obstruction marker for navigating aircraft.
We have a workforce around 200 people at Avaids in various departments. Since we do most of the processes in-house, it is easy for us to maintain the quality of our product at every stage, and we are less dependent upon the outside agencies. We are one of Asia's largest plants specializing in manufacturing aviation warning lights, and we are able to meet any kind of delivery schedules of our clients.
The products of Avaids speak the philosophy of the company. Zero tolerance, high quality control, state-of-the-art research and design, and best management principles. Our factory is equipped with an array of the most sophisticated computer-controlled machines. We have brought many processes in-house to better control the quality of raw materials. It is perhaps not a coincidence that our obstruction lighting systems manufacturing facility is the only one in this part of the world to be certified to ISO 9001 quality norms. The civil aviation industry has been able to achieve very high safety records only because of the adoption of exacting standards and the use of high-performance products. Avaids is proud of its commitment to design, manufacture and support obstruction lighting solutions that operate under grueling environmental conditions. From dawn to dusk. And from dusk to dawn. Unattended. Cheering on the aviators as we make the skies safer to fly.